welcome back on this channel, Bratan. As we see Bitcoin right now cooling down, and as we see BlackRock, they bought 778 million worth of Bitcoin. In total, we had 870 million of Bitcoin inflows. I want today to share with you the craziest charts which you probably seen on no other channel than you will see it here. You cannot imagine what I found right now. It's mind-blowing. So first of all, and we will speak, by the way, also about the immediate short-term price action of Bitcoin, mid-term, long-term, and we will speak about all the altcoins where I am right now long on. I am over $3 million long on altcoins. So what we see right now is that we are in a massive extreme greed. You see the fear and greed index showing us extreme greed. And usually if we see extreme greed, usually it's an indicator that we see dump. Now it's getting mind-blowing. The crazy thing about is here you see the golden ratio 2. Yeah? Golden ratio 2. And what I'm watching here and compared is the history of Bitcoin. And if we are watching in the history, as soon as we, for the first time after the bottom, touched this golden ratio 2, this was the time where we got rejected. You see here, exactly here. I'm zooming in. You see, this was exact time. As soon as we touched or came very close to it, very, very close, this is the time when we got rejected. Now we're zooming out and watching. You're not ready for this. Now, because what I'm afraid of, because I'm all in altcoins and long positions, I'm afraid as soon as Bitcoin will dump, and we will have at some point a correction, my altcoins getting destroyed, and I'm very afraid to get liquidated. But if we are watching this golden ratio, we see that we are not even close to it. And what it's telling us, the first time when we should get rejected is at $120,000. Just for your understanding, this golden ratio is so precise, it not predicted the dumps in the previous bull run and bear market, but also in the one which was in 2017 and 16. You look at this, how exactly we reached the bottom in 2015, and the first rejection came after we touched the golden ratio 2. You see, never, probably on no channel give you this information before. You see, always when we touched it, we got rejected. We got rejected, but as soon as we broke above, it was our support. So right now we even not touched it yet, and we should touch it at $120,000. So it doesn't mean we could see a week to 80K. We will speak later in this video about it. But what it indicates is that we should see end of the year Bitcoin by $120,000, because we're not even close to this golden ratio 2. But we are not finished here, because as I told you, fear and greed index 84. And usually people saying extreme greed, get out of the market, we will see dump. We are watching the historical fear and greed index. So this was exactly when we topped out, you see, at 60K and then 69K. And the fear and greed, but we don't watching the top right now because we're obviously not at the top of the bull market yet. But what I'm watching again is as soon as we broke the local all-time high back then in 2019, you see, this is exactly what happened right now. You see, this was our local all-time high, which we broke to the upside. And what we saw, as soon as we broke to the upside back in 2020, we saw the fear and greed index went to 19, 86, 86, 94, 90, 90, 90, 87. So just to be clear, on the leg up, on the pump, we have the fear and greed index between 80 and 94. The fear and greed index, you see, could go and stay between 80 and 94 and would be not problem at all. And here we see the monthly RSI. Always when we touch the RSI around 90, this is when was our top of the bull run. It was here in 2021. The monthly RSI was at 93. In the bull run, which was 7 years ago in 2017, it was 96. The other bull run at 97 again, RSI 99. But the crazy thing is, the monthly RSI is right now at 74. So we just starting. One leg up, cool down, second leg up, cool down, third leg up. What we have here, first leg up, cool down, second leg up, cool down, third leg up. So we are exactly here in this leg up. As soon as we're reaching around 90 RSI, this when we know the bull market top is reached. another chart is a rainbow chart, which is in the green area. And as soon as we touch the red area or the yellow area, I'm zooming in, show you. As soon as we touched, as you see it here, the red area or the top of the orange area, this when we knew the bull market top was in. And right now, we are exactly in the green area. Check it out. We are in the green area. So we are far away from the orange and red. The bull market will approximately last at least for the next 6 months. And if we are saying it will end, let's say in May, then we should see Bitcoin at least at $250,000 topping out.